Hello students, in today's session of class 12 maths, topic is area between two curves. In today's session, we are going to discuss the functions exponential and modulus function. Topic will be area between exponential curves and application modulus function. Concepts will be cleared through illustrations. In today's session, we have discussed this thing, discuss this thing, discuss this thing. And the last one is area between two parabolas, which you can review on YouTube channel Sethi. As these topics are going to be very important for JEE-Main, it is requested go through the session completely. Now let's start with the question and concept. Question is, if the area of the region X is closed interval 1 to 1, Y is greater than 0 and less than equal to A plus e की power mod x minus e की power minus x, where a is greater than 0. Value of a is greater than 0. This is the area of this region according to this condition. Then the value of a is to be determined. 4 options are given to you. One of the options is correct. Question is taken from JEE-Main previous year questions, right? Concept, applicability and solution. We know exponential function y equal to a की power x. A is greater than 0, a is not equal to. This is the essential condition. If a is greater than 1, then this is the graph. If a is less than 1, then this is the graph, right? Now, in this case, e is given to you. Value of e is 2.718, yani 2.7 we can consider it. It is a rational number, its decimal representative goes on infinity without pattern. And this is regarding the exponential function. Now come to the question. Question is, first of all, y equal to given a plus e की power mod x minus e की power x minus e की power minus x. Now, before finding the area and plotting it, we will have to remove the modulus sign. As we know, that mod x equal to x if x greater than equal to 0 and equal to minus x if x less than 0. Means there are two cases now. If x greater than equal to 0, y will be equal to a plus e की power x minus e की power minus x. If x less than 0, y will come out to be a plus e की power minus x minus e की power minus x. That is y equal to a. Means now there will be two plots we have to draw. One, y equal to a when less than 0. Y की लिमिट भी दे रखी है. That is, answer is x value minus 1 से beyond नहीं जाएगी. Now let's plot the graph. Now sketch the plot graph. Two cases are there. Two cases. Case 1, case 2. When x greater than equal to 0, y equal to a plus e की power x minus e की power minus x, y equal to a, when x less than equal to 0, x less than 0, right? X less than 0. These are the two cases. Now to plot it, at x equal to 0, y equal to a plus 1 minus 1, that is a. तो point हो जाएगा 0a. In this case, it is passing line parallel to y-axis. So sketch will be like this. 0 to a, ये जाएगा a और ये जाएगा -1 तक, -1 0 0 a. What is this area? Vertical lines. The second area is graph like this. This you have to go 1 0. These are the horizontal lines, right? So area of shaded region equal to y dx horizontal line, vertical lines plus y dx horizontal lines. So this will be 0 to 1, 0 to 1. In this case, no linear integration, we take a. Its area will be a plus y in terms of a plus e to the power minus x minus plus e to the power x minus e to the power minus x, 0 to 1 dx, right? On simplification, a plus ax plus e to the power x minus e to the power minus x upon minus 1, this becomes plus 0 to 1. This comes out to a plus e minus 1 plus 1 by e minus 1. According to question, this area is equal to 2a plus e plus 1 minus e minus 2 equal to, this is given to you, e square plus 80 plus 1. E square plus 80 plus 1 divided by e. So this comes out to e plus 1 by e plus 8. On simplification, 2a equal to 10, a equal to 5. This is the answer. Let's see the D option is the correct option. This is the right answer. Right? Next question.
Before start of the next question, I would like to say that these concept clearing videos for the purpose of 11th standard, 12th standard, state boards, CBSE board, JEE-Main, JEE Advanced, NEET, CUET, and other entrance examination. These concept clearing videos are very, very helpful and useful, which you can review on YouTube channel Sethi Learn. In addition to this, I would like to say that these papers, complete video of sessions are available on Sethi Learn YouTube channel, which you can review on Sethi Learn. In addition to this, further, these papers, detailed solution with additional information available on website setyswiftlearn.com. You can visit the site and have the solution. इसी के साथ साथ मैं रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहूँगा कि अगर अभी तक आपने YouTube चैनल सेटलर्न सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया, प्लीज सब्सक्राइब इट एंड शेयर विद योर colleagues and friends. Now let's start with the question.
Question is, the area of the region enclosed by the course y equal to e to the power x plus y equal to e to the power x minus 1 and y-axis is. 4 options are given to you. One of the options is correct. Question is taken from JEE-Main previous questions, right? Here in this case we see both the graphs are exponential functions. To find the area, we should know the point of intersection of two graphs also. So one is given y equal to e to the power x and one is given to e to the power x minus 1 modulus sign, right? For x less than 0, e to the power x minus 1 will be less than 0. So y equal to e to the power x equal to minus e to the power x minus 1. This comes out to minus e की power x plus 1. This comes out to be twice e की power x equal to 1. E की power x comes out to be 1 by 2. To find the value of x. So it's taking log of both sides. So this comes out to x equal to ln 1 by 2. That is minus ln 2. X minus ln minus ln 2. Point of intersection here. Why it will be less than 1? Because minus of the 1 over e, that will be always less than 1. Less than 1 to negative. Okay? Right. Now, to next point is to sketch. One is y equal to e की power x. E की power x passes through like this. This is 0, 1. E की power x. To y equal to e की power x minus 1. इसको प्लॉट करना है. x equal to 0 पुट करें हम तो हमें मिलेगा 1, 0, 1 minus 1, 0. It will pass through 0 like this. And then it will become like this. And further ये ऐसे जाएगा. We have to plot the graph between these two and y-axis. This point is minus ln 2, 0. This is 0, 0. This is x-axis. This is y-axis. This is regarding the graph, not to find the area. Now, this sketch is clear. This sketch is e की power x minus 1 mod. If x is greater than 0, it will pass through the origin, and if it is less than 0, it will become like this, right? Common area is this. This is the point of intersection. So we require the limit. We have to find the area between the curve this, and this. So area of required region, area of shaded region will be equal to lower limit to higher limit minus ln 2 0 y dx. ये हो गया अपर माइनस 0 to minus ln 2 0 y dx lower में unshaded portion, this is the shaded, right? Now area will be equal to now y dx upper is this one, e की power x minus e की power x minus 1 with negative sign. क्या था हमारे ऊपर सॉल्व करके? माइनस e की power x plus 1. तो प्लस माइनस e की power x. This is minus ln 2 0 minus ln 2 0 dx. This is all about this thing. So this comes out to be e की power x difference e की power x integration minus ln 2 0 minus this comes out to be e की power minus x plus 1 plus x हो जाएगा. This will become plus x. So minus ln 0. This is 0. So this comes out to be upper limit e की power 0 minus e की power. इसको सिंप्लीफाई कर दो. लिमिट इज सेम. तो माइनस माइनस प्लस हो गए. ट्वाइस e की पावर x minus x minus ln 2 0. This comes out to be twice common e की power 0 minus e की power minus ln 2 minus 0 minus minus plus ln 2 on simplification. Twice e की power 0 1 twice minus twice into e की power minus ln 2. This can be written twice into 2 into 2 की power minus 1. That comes out 2 minus 2 into 1 by 2. This comes out to be 2 minus 1 minus ln 2. This comes out to be 1 minus ln 2 square units. This is the answer. Let's check the answer. B is the correct option, right?
Now, I would like to request, if you are new to my YouTube channel, Sethi Shift Learns, please like and subscribe to my channel and press bell icon to receive updates on concept killing videos. Thank you.